Okay, hi everyone, I'm back. So welcome back to our Friday class. So today we are going to continue our lesson from last Wednesday. So last Wednesday I introduced you to the format of part two speaking test, right? So in speaking test, in part two speaking test, you'll be given a situation and you have to discuss together in a group. Okay, so today we're going to focus on a very important aspect of part two, which is developing ideas. Okay, so let's look at our slides together. Okay, so developing points. Today we are going to focus on how to develop points for part two speaking test. All right. So in part two speaking test, there are three things. Basically, three things that you have to do. Okay. The first one is you choose the best option. So when you got the situation, you decide which one do you want to support. Okay. Which option do you think is the best? Because they gave you five, right? Five options. And then you have to think of the points to justify your opinion. It means that you have to convince people that your option is the best option. And then, uh, apart from that, you also have to present argument against other options. So this is what differentiates part one and part two speaking. Because in part one, you only present your points, right? While in part two, you have to present, you have to kind of attack another options, right? So let's look at a sample question together. All right, here. Which is the most important factor when choosing a restaurant? Okay, there are five factors, right? Of course, all five are important. Okay, bear in mind that in task two, all the options given to you are good, are important. Of course, if the food is good, is delicious, but it's far away from your house, of course you are not. You may not want to go, right? Or if the price is really cheap, but it's very dirty, again you may not want to go. So all five are important, but now the issue is which of the following is the most important factor. So the first thing you have to do is to decide. Once you decide, you think of points to support your opinion. Okay, so that's the first thing that we're going to do for our first task. All right, so the first task, why is it important for a restaurant to, okay, one, be clean, or second, be near to your house, your location, right? Third, sell cheap food, and fourth, offer many types of food, the variety, and lastly, sell delicious food. So what you have to do now is to present points for each, present supporting arguments for each of these points. Okay, so please do it now, and um, in our, and after you're done, I'll give you the instruction for the second task. Okay. All right, please go and do your task.